Morning, friends. On behalf of Guru Nanak Khalsa College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Autonomous, Mumbai, I welcome you all to this digital Diksha program for teachers. Well, it is a 3-day faculty development program. It's a virtual teacher specialization program organized by IQAC in association with the Computer Science and Information Technology of Khalsa College. Well, friends, this is day 2. I sincerely apologize for yesterday's technical glitch. I hope everything goes on smoothly. Well, we have taken sufficient precaution and I hope you enjoy the session. I invite our principal, Dr. Kiran Matlavkar, to speak a few words. Please.
Good morning to one and all. First of all, apology for the yesterday's technical snag. I was not able to join. With the precautions and the measures, we are going to maneuver. But at the same time, we'll have to see that we have to live with Corona. Corona cannot be totally banished from the earth. So we have to learn to live with such type of diseases and such type of viruses. So this pandemic has really taught us a lot of lessons. How to keep ourselves healthy, clean, environment friendly, and at the same time, we'll have to adopt some different means in our education sector. Because of the lockdown, everybody has stranded at home. So we have to do something, some activities already the teachers are doing, online webinars and so on. So then there we have to definitely think of this option of online teaching. Of course, there is a big debate that one section of teachers, they say that yes, we have to go for fully online teaching, whereas the other section is of the opinion that the conventional methods of classroom teaching and chalkboard are very, very essential. I am of the opinion that yes, we have to have a because of course online teaching or digital teaching will not totally replace the classroom teaching, but with a good combination of both, we should be able to succeed in giving the benefit to the students. So I wish all of you the success. I must thank the organizing team, Dr. Devinder Madam, Jasbir Madam, Jasmith Madam from IT and Computer Science Department for taking a lot of pains to organize this, and of course today's resource person, Dr. Ajit Vishwakarma, who is an expert in this field. So this workshop and training program is to make a teacher a perfect virtual teacher. So I hope that it will benefit everyone. I wish all the best for everyone. Thank you. Stay safe. Thank you very much. Over to Dr. Vishwakarma. मैडम आपका म्यूट है, your mic is mute.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. I had already introduced our master trainer, Dr. Ajit Vishwakarma, yesterday, but nonetheless, for those who were not present while I introduced him, I would like to introduce him again. Our master trainer, Dr. Ajit Vishwakarma, is a Government of India certified master trainer with more than 10 years of experience training. He is an empaneled faculty and trainer to the renowned Tata Institute of Social Sciences. He has on-field experience of technical training, communication skills, soft skills, personality development, grooming, body language, youth leadership, counseling, project management, and many trainings he has conducted for the corporate world as well as the education sector. Well, he is an alumnus of the reputed VJTI Engineering College of Mumbai, has a postgraduate degree in computers, and he is a motivational speaker for youngsters. Sir, we are looking forward for this session. The floor is yours, and let us go ahead.
Thank you so much, Madam, for those wonderful words for me. I hope I deserve them. And as Kiran Madam and Kiran Sir and Devendra Madam has already told about yesterday's glitch, देवेंद्र पाल मैडम जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत सारे अच्छे शब्द आपने मेरे लिए बोले के लिए। इसी के साथ दोस्तों, we are going to start our today's session with little bit of enthusiasm. And I've come up with a song which would act as an apology for yesterday technical glitch. जी हाँ, मैं जैसा कि मैडम ने बताया, देवेंद्र पाल मैडम ने, I have a lot of corporate trainings, and at a corporate level we try to innovate and try to come up with different types of techniques in order to engage my audience, and hence I'm presenting you my apology for yesterday in my style, which is going to come in form of a small song. And I love for my audience, so please try to enjoy. एग्जाम भी पोस्टपोन कराया है, तभी हमने स्टूडेंट्स को एजुकेट करने का कसम खाया है. This song is for all the educators, singers, facilitators, trainers and coaches all over India. अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सब दर्द सहे, चलता रहे ये लेक्चर मेरा, चाहे इंटरनेट रहे न रहे. ऐ मेरी जमी महबूब मेरी नस नस में एजुकेशन रहे, फीका न पड़े ये टीचिंग प्रोफेशन, चाहे लॉकडाउन खुले या न खुले. फिर मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू. Very good morning to everybody. I hope I have set up the right objective with a small parody. जी हाँ, as a trainer, as a teacher, as a coach, as a professor, हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी का काम है. And I feel that we are also playing an equivalent role as our other warriors are playing, like our policemen, like our doctors. I think we as an educator has also got the equal responsibility here, because one of the pillars of nation building is through education and teaching. And with the current scenario, I think there are some challenges that we are facing. बिल्कुल, और इस चैलेंज को हम पूरा करने के लिए आज ये एक सेशन हमने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. इसके लिए आई वांट टू thank Khalsa College, and I also want to thank Kiran sir and Devendra Pal madam for giving me and my team this opportunity to come and share my experience how to transform yourself into a virtual teacher or a coach or a trainer, because with the current scenario of the pandemic and COVID-19. We all are aware that there are so many issues and we are facing a lot of challenge. Also, I think now it has become so important that we teachers should also become a great social influencer because and now the society has evolved. It is more into digital form. People are connecting into digital world. If you have to keep your voice, if you have to be popular, this is one of the very strongest medium. We used to talk when we were studying IIT, when we were studying ITs and CS. We used to talk that social media is very powerful. And now, for the first time in the history, we have also witnessed this. Yes, the social media, the online platform is indeed very powerful because all single of us are sitting at their home, yet we are able to run, operate, and manage the outside world using these technology, using these platforms. With this, I'm going to introduce you to the first topic of today's session, where we are going to talk about digital Disha, which is nothing but a virtual teacher specialization, a short capsule course for all of you guys. And we will start. And before we start, I want to ask you a few questions, and I would request you to use your chat box. I encourage a lot of participations here, and I want that you come here and try to do something that we call as group learning. Yes, my dear friends, we have gathered here today to understand how we can transform into a virtual teacher and using a group learning method. So, has anybody? I'm going to ask you a lot of questions, and I expect you to participate. I can already see you're very active on the chat box. In case there is some issue, please do let me know. The number one, have you seen that recently there was social media line, or there was a social media news that was getting very popular? A boy named Karim Nati, who has his YouTube channel, has become very popular. Yes, कैरिमिनाटी नाम का एक यूट्यूब चैनल है. कैरिमिनाटी नाम का एक यूट्यूब चैनल है जहां पे एक स्टूडेंट है where he posts lots of fun and entertainment videos, and his video was becoming the most popular video on the history of YouTube. Ji haan, yes, this was just recently. He posted a video which has got YouTube versus TikTok. So with this video, a small child posted a video for 2 minutes, and he said something for YouTube and against TikTok, and that video went viral. How viral? In a single day, he was able to reach out to more than 7 crore Indians. Yes, with a simple microphone, with a simple laptop, he was able to reach more than 7 crore people. And he was trying to talk about a simple comparison, which was YouTube versus TikTok. Now, what do we learn from this recent activity? Number one is that it is okay. So we are saying that there is some issue with the equaling. So just give me 10 seconds. Let me just go through the settings if I can